Bitcoin and traditional markets drop 3% as coronavirus spreads in Italy. Welcome back to a new episode on the Crypto Wealthy channel, ladies and gentlemen. In today's video, we're going to discuss something very interesting where many people are talking and discussing about coronavirus affecting the traditional markets, including the Bitcoin as a digital market, which is trading 24/7, and that's the actually reason why the prices are dropping. Let's see if that is true. And also, we're going to compare those bad news with some very good news and see where the Bitcoin price could actually reverse and if it will reverse at all. And now, let's begin. Now first we're going to look at this chart over here as the whole, and we're going to look at the whole year since last March over here when we started to moon on the way to the upside, and we build up this over here market structure over here, and now we are again above this very important line of $9,000 level of support because we are building the new structure. We are regaining the power of this structure. As we can see over here, we did some sort of a round retest into this trend line over here, and now we did once more when we broke this 20 exponential moving average and this also trend line that we were consolidating in the past 2 to 3 months or so. Now there are many reasons why I think that the Bitcoin should reverse around here. Also, this structure is very important and many traders and other investors are looking at this level. Also, if we bring the EMA as we mentioned in the previous episodes, there we can find also some moving averages that should actually give us some sort of a level of support. If we switch on weekly chart, we can see also 20 weekly exponential moving average together with the 50 is around $8,500. 20 is around 88, so I do think that we should actually bounce from here. Now the problem is if we don't bounce from around this level, there is a big probability if we break this level of support and even this, we are going back into the trend reversal, which means that the bull market will be postponed for a little bit while because we are dropping pretty significantly from some very important level of supports as I mentioned right now. So it's very important for the Bitcoin if we are going to continue bull market to actually bounce from around this level. So make sure you observe this level very carefully, and if you're a trader, make sure you have a good stop loss around here because the things could be ugly, and let's see why. Bitcoin and traditional markets dropped 3% as coronavirus spreads in Italy.
Ooh, that's interesting.
China's digital yuan research delayed amid coronavirus epidemic.
You know what? I don't even know why the hell I'm even here. I ain't even Chinese. Alright, I'm sorry.
Coinbase releases its plan for the coronavirus spread.
Nice.
Coronavirus and 3 major reasons why Bitcoin price broke below 9.4K.
Alrighty then.
Now, let's be clear, very clear over here. Coronavirus does not affect markets directly at any cost whatsoever. The problem with any news, coronavirus and other viruses and any other panic news that could be spread are coming from media. Directly from these news that we can see over here, from the Bloomberg, from the Wall Street Journal or whatever, whenever they're spreading the bad news along the markets, the dumb money, the people who are not educated very well when they are investing or they are traders, whenever the price is dropping in some sort of a correction, as we had many corrections over here, the problem with that, every correction is going to be taken as the problem with the coronavirus, which is of course not true. Now, whenever we have some sort of a wave of correction as we had over here, and whenever media come and tell us about the drop of 3% over here, then the people are thinking actually that that's the problem with the coronavirus, and then the panic and FUD is spreading, and that's how the price is actually dropping over here, as we can see. And this is the problem why you need to understand that the panic could spread and the markets could drop further lower. It's not because of the coronavirus, it's because of the FUD about coronavirus, where the news are actually poisoning us with it and causing the markets to crash further lower. Maybe it is temporary, of course it's temporary, but it is dropped, and this is why it's important if you are a trader to have your stop losses in order if something goes wrong. And now if we look a little bit different picture over here on logarithmic chart, we can see that the Bitcoin is approaching to a halving. So remember, the big news about halving is yet to come and hit the road. Look where the Bitcoin actually is. So we are very near to the halving, and that's very important to say, because the price afterwards will start growing no matter if coronavirus is going to hit the world or not. So let's compare those bad news about coronavirus, and let's see something very interesting that I didn't show you at the beginning. Bitcoin halving mentioned in crypto media correlate with bullish 2020 price action. Billionaire investor Tim Draper quit stocks for Bitcoin 6 months ago. Tron CEO Bitcoin to break 100k in 2025 and pull up other coins. Tyler Winklevoss had a 3 million Bitcoin pizza moment with a space travel. So okay, let's compare the big news, big headlines, big headshots talking about Bitcoin, about leaving actually the stock markets just because of the Bitcoin, with the temporary coronavirus that is causing the market to crash. But we all know who is actually trying to crash the market. That's the news, spreading the FUD, causing the Bitcoin price go on the down. Make sure you are trading and you are investing for the long term. Do not listen to media, what are they saying. Watch the charts and see the news there. So simply, if you're in doubt, zoom out. Make sure you are trading and you're investing for the long-term perspective. Do not watch the 1 hourly chart, 30-minute chart, 4 hourly chart, even 1 daily chart if you're stressing about this. Do not listen and read the news who are spreading the FUD, because you could be intoxicated also. Watch the charts and make yourself a news what is going on the charts. Follow the waves, how the price is actually acting. Do not act by the news, act by your own research and your own indications what you should do in the market. Also, if we bring the MACD indicator, we can see that the MACD is slowly but surely coming back down, and I hope it will hold this level, start converting into the bullish side, and we will see momentum coming back on the way to the upside. So bottom line, make sure you observe the price right now around $9,000, because this will be pretty fun to watch what the Bitcoin will do around this level. I'm very interesting about this. Make sure you let me know in the comment section down below what do you think, what could happen in the next few days, and I do believe that the Bitcoin will decide what we'll do in the next few days. So make sure you leave us a comment about your opinion, where the Bitcoin price could actually go, and what are your indications and your technical analysis that you think will actually occur and happen. Now just to say, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and also follow us on other social medias as Instagram, TikTok and the Twitter, where we are uploading pretty much daily and have a discussion with us, having the updates about news, what is going on in the markets, but do not be affected by them and trade by them, as I told you in this video. I want to thank each last one of you for watching our videos, ladies and gentlemen. As always, till the next episode, happy trading and goodbye.